Gonna hang it up today. Had a great day of fishing. Went all day using crankbaits. Really enjoyed using the crankbait. It's you got to get one that's going to go the right depth. I've been fishing at about 1 to 4 foot of water, so I was just kind of using a retrieve. Then I would just drag it along the bottom. I'd kind of feel the bottom. They wanted it real light. I think it kind of mimics a crab scurrying across the mud, but caught a lot of great redfish. Caught most of it on film. Hope you enjoy the clips. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you get a chance, link up with my Patreon page. The link is in the description, and that's where I go over more of exactly what I use, where I'm going, and basically where the fish are. So hope you enjoyed the episode. We'll see you next time. Here we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh. That's a good one. Oh. Ain't quite done yet, are you? You swallowed that thing, though. I don't know how I'm gonna get that crankbait out of you. Hey. Oh. Chill. Got a nice solid redfish here, about 24-25 inches. Beautiful girl. She hit the crankbait, hit it hard, using the 6 cents crankbait. Just kind of show you what it looks like. But man, I put gar on this and everything. What's even sweeter is I'm using Trika's new crankbait rod on the TI 100 reel, and yeah, she put up a great fight, and we're gonna let her go fight another day. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh man, that's a good one. And he followed it right up to the boat. We're not done, not even close. Beautiful red. On the crankbait, using the Trica CBR crankbait rod. It does the trick. Just burning it down, hitting the grass. We're hitting the mud, sorry. You know you're working that crankbait right if the lip is all torn up or if you got some mud or sand on it. And this redfish is putting on a show. Faux show. Yeah, girl. Uh-huh. Come to daddy. I got her under the lip. Another perfect size red. Oh yeah, you throat hooked. Ooh, and you're not done. Don't go trying to hook me now. Atta girl. Atta girl. Ooh, you're gonna be over. You are going to be over. All right, smile into the camera. I got another 28, almost 29 inch redfish. Beautiful red. Hit that crankbait again. I'm just using a real light retrieve, barely bumping the bottom, and she went for it. But yeah, solid girl all around. Look at that. All right, we're gonna let this one go. Oh, here we go. Got another one. Come on. Oh yeah, nice one. There we go. Oh. How big are you? Good size. Man, you ate it too. Oh. Yeah. Oh, perfect. You are just perfect. All right, got another one. Nice 21 inch red. Hit the crankbait again. Hit it hard too. She nearly swallowed that thing. Might actually take this one home because it got her pretty deep. But great fight. Again, just a real low slow retrieve, and yeah, she took it. Okay, okay. Right in front of the boat. Didn't think you were gonna hit that big one. Ah, multi-spotter. Good looking girl. Yeah, beautiful redfish. And I thought that bigger bait was gonna slow you down, but nope. All right, don't go hooking me. $20.21. Nice redfish. Got this one on the crankbait as well. Nice multi-spotter here, came in about 21 inches. We are gonna let her go. She fought great. I was using the Strike King wake crankbait this time. Lost my other two. They're just really feisty this evening, but great fish overall. See if we can get another one. Oh, here we go. Another one. Oh, you spit it. Oh, man. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man, you're a brute. Maybe you the one that got away earlier. There we go. Didn't think they were gonna like the chartreuse, but apparently they do. Woohoo, woohoo. Nice, nice. Good girl. Beautiful multi-spotter. And you ate that one too. All right, calm down. That's it, that's it. Okay, we got you. We got you. Redfish. She really took that crankbait again. This one's about 21 inches. She hit it pretty hard, swallowed the thing, but great fish overall. Really good fight. Looks like we kind of might have got her in the gills a little bit, so we'll probably harvest this one and have her for Christmas dinner. But smile for the camera. There we go.